Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can remove background in Photopea Online. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any picture from your computer. So I am going to use this one. Now you can see that the picture is added. Then you need to go on to the select and click on magic cut and wait for a few seconds. It will automatically remove the background. So now you can see that it created two copies and our front is green. Here you can see that foreground and the background is red. So you simply need to select brush from here and then you need to remove the background from here by selecting this, and once you done that your background will be removed. But if some images will be complex, so for complex images you need to have the grip on the pen tool to remove the background. So this is the process how you can remove background in Photopea Online. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.